I just wanted to have a brief explanation po on how we chose AZ. You know what? When she was still inside the PBB house, nung nag-choose na po talaga for the Big Four, they were holding the boxes po. We were scrolling on TikTok. Doon na po yung mga while we were doing the product development, sabi ko, sino kayong magandang face talaga? Kasi, as I've mentioned earlier po, we wanted someone beautiful inside and out, that is AZ. Tapos po, when they were playing, medyo naiiyak ako kasi talagang she kept on praying talaga. Talagang sabi ko na, if we want someone beautiful inside and out, we want someone who has a very, very strong faith in the Lord po talaga. Yun po talaga, that's why we chose AZ. And of course, it reflects on her fans po. And hello po, the mom ni AZ. Yes po, yun po talaga that's the reason why we chose AZ. Talaga. Kasi talagang paulit-ulit lang siya nagpe-pray talaga yun.
Thank you. Pero ma'am,